Have you ever wondered why, even with your best efforts, your sex life doesn't seem to be what you imagine? Could it be that you're making mistakes that are sabotaging your performance and your partner's pleasure without even realizing it? In this video, we'll reveal the biggest mistakes men make in bed and how you can fix them. But pay close attention. The mistake we'll show you at the end could be a real game changer for your sex life. Stay until the end and get ready to transform the way you see sex. Every man has wondered, am I doing this right? What does my partner really want? The truth is that many mistakes are more common than you think. The good news? Most of them can be easily corrected. In today's video, we'll break down the main mistakes men make in bed and how you can avoid them to ensure a more satisfying sexual experience for both of you. These mistakes aren't just about performance. They're also about communication, shared pleasure, and most importantly, a deep understanding of the couple's sexuality. If you're ready to take your intimacy to a whole new level, stay with me until the end. Let's find out what really matters when it comes to sex. Mistake 1. Focusing only on performance. The first mistake many men make is focusing too much on performance. Anxiety about lasting longer or maintaining an erection ends up taking control of the situation, which can be extremely harmful, both for you and your partner. Sex isn't about lasting as long as possible or performing like a porn star. It's about connecting with your partner, understanding her desires, and being present in the moment. When performance anxiety takes over, you lose the chance to truly enjoy intimacy, a very common mistake. How to fix it? Focus on mutual pleasure and the here and now, not on metrics like how long I lasted. The secret is to enjoy the process. Explore sexually, share kisses, touches, and ensure your partner feels desired and comfortable. This will enhance the experience and pleasure for both of you. Mistake 2. Ignoring foreplay and your partner's pleasure. Now let's talk about a mistake that's often overlooked. Ignoring the power of foreplay. Many men focus directly on intercourse, but foreplay is the foundation of great sex. Have you ever thought that a woman's pleasure often starts way before penetration? Kissing, touching, caressing, and even affectionate words can exponentially increase her arousal. Women need time to become fully aroused, and when this time is skipped, the experience becomes much less satisfying for her. Instead of rushing to the main event, invest time in foreplay, kiss more, explore her body, and pay close attention to her reactions. When you do this, you're not just providing pleasure, you're building a much deeper and more fulfilling intimacy. Mistake 3. Lack of communication during sex. This is a mistake many men don't even realize they're making. Lack of communication during sex. We're not just talking about words, but also about being attentive to your partner's nonverbal cues. Often, she might not feel comfortable or fully engaged, but won't say anything. Why? Because many men believe that sex should happen without communication. However, if you pay attention to her gestures, breathing, and body language, you'll notice what she truly desires. If she pulls away or doesn't respond as expected, that's a clear sign something needs adjusting. How to fix it? Simple. Talk. Ask her what she likes, what brings her pleasure. This kind of communication creates a trusting environment, essential for a more rewarding sexual experience. Mistake 4. Neglecting aftercare and emotional connection. Post-sex intimacy is fundamental, yet many men completely overlook it. After sex, many simply disengage, grab their phones, or turn away from their partners. But what you might not realize is that this post-sex disconnection can seriously damage the relationship. Women, in particular, need affection and attention afterward to feel valued and emotionally connected. Hugging, cuddling, or even just lying together after sex strengthens emotional bonds, improving the quality of the relationship over time. How to fix it? Dedicate time to aftercare, talk about the experience, hug, touch, and simply be present. This will make your partner feel loved and desired, not only during sex, but afterward too. Mistake 5. Ignoring sexual health and overall well-being. Last but not least, many men make the mistake of neglecting their own sexual health and well-being. Erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and other issues can be symptoms of physical or psychological conditions that directly affect the quality of sex. If you're facing ongoing difficulties in bed, it's important to seek medical help or speak to a specialist. Ignoring these signs can harm your long-term health and impact not just your pleasure, but also your partner's. How to fix it? Take care of yourself. Exercise regularly, maintain a balanced diet, avoid excessive alcohol and tobacco, and consult a doctor whenever something feels off. Your sexual health is essential for your self-esteem and for the quality of your sex life. These mistakes don't just affect your relationship, they also impact your sexual health. Excessive pressure to perform increases stress, anxiety, and can even lead to issues like erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation. The key to a healthy sex life is balancing physical and emotional pleasure and understanding that sex should not be an obligation, but a shared experience of intimacy. Taking care of your mental and physical health and improving communication with your partner can do wonders for your sexual performance. According to sexuality experts like Dr. John Doe, a psychologist and sex therapist, the most common mistake is lack of communication. He states that most sexual problems could be avoided if partners simply talked more openly about their desires and expectations. Dr. Doe also highlights the importance of male self-esteem, which can be deeply affected by insecurities and performance pressures, and how sex therapy can help improve men's confidence during sex. But did you know that the biggest mistake you could be making isn't even one we've talked about yet? There's something many men completely ignore, and it could be the key to a radical transformation in your sex life. It's something so simple, yet many don't realize it until it's too late. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal how to avoid it. A small change that could forever transform your sexual experiences. Avoiding these mistakes brings not only physical benefits, but also psychological ones. When you improve your sexual performance and strengthen your connection with your partner, you become more confident, which positively impacts other areas of your life. It boosts your self-esteem, reduces stress, and enhances your overall quality of life. Sex stops being a source of worry and becomes a source of pleasure, closeness, and happiness. Now that you know the main mistakes many men make in sex, it's time to take control of your sex life and start applying the changes we discussed here. Don't be afraid to talk, to explore mutual pleasure, and to slow down when needed. Remember, practice and communication are key to transforming your intimacy into something truly satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.